Okay, you studied about the alkyl groups. Now, rules of IUPAC nomenclature. There are certain rules to be followed before naming the organic compound structure. Okay, so first rule, longest chain. So, when the structure is given, you should select the longest chain. Okay, see for example, in the first example, one longest chain is to name that parent hydrocarbon. Parent hydrocarbon, last class I told you previously in the previous video. So longest carbon, large number of carbon chain should be there. That is named as the parent hydrocarbon. Okay. So longest chain is selected. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons chain. If you take 1, 2, 3, 4, this one is only 4 carbon. So you have to select this one, that is which contains the longest chain. So that the parent name will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 6 carbon alkane, it is hexane. Parent name will be hexane. And the remaining this CH3 is the alkyl group which is called as methyl. Okay. So here it is methyl hexane, but position of the methyl to be noted in the next row. Okay. So second example. In the second example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Okay. Now if you take from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. So therefore longest chain it is comes here, that is like this. These rules will not be asked. Generally in the exam rules will not be asked. But we have to understand to give the name. Finally we have to give the name. Name will be asked in the exam. These rules will not be asked. But which rules you should be followed to give the name? You should know the rules. Okay. So don't go on by-hearting all these things. You should understand only. So among, in this case, this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the longest chain. Okay. That is the first rule. Second rule, lowest number. So after selecting the longest chain, we should give the numbers to the carbon present in that longest chain. Okay. So how to give the number? So lowest number should be given to the carbon having the substituent group. Means we should give the number to the carbon chain from the side which is nearer to the substituent group, nearer to the alkyl group. Okay. So alkyl groups will be there. More number of, here there is only one alkyl group is there. But more number of the alkyl groups may be present. So in that case, after selecting the longest chain, we should give the numbers to the carbon atoms from the side, this side or from this side. But which side? That is from the side which is nearer to the alkyl group, nearer to the branch, nearer to the substituent group. So in this case, first example, longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 carbon alkane means no name. Okay. But in this case, this is the substituent group. If you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon chain it is. We should select the straight one here. It contains more number of the carbons, longest chain. So now we should give the numbers. See here, if I give here this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth carbon contains the CH2CH3 group. It is ethyl group. So fourth carbon contains the ethyl group. Okay. But if you give the number from this side, from the right side. So 1, 2. So second carbon contains the alkyl group. It is methyl group. So therefore, which side we should select? From the right side. Because if we give the number from the right side, this carbon which contains the alkyl group gets the lowest number. Okay. Lowest number, this carbon gets lowest number which contains the alkyl group. here the carbon from this side, if you give the numbers, the carbon containing the alkyl group, it gets 4 number, 4. But here it gets 2 number. So lowest number should be given to the carbon of the alkyl group. So how we can give the lowest number? If we number the carbon atom from the side which is nearer to the branch, which is nearer to the substituent group. So I'll give the numbers here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is 9. So how to give the name now? So second carbon contains the methyl group, sixth contains the CH2, CH3 means ethyl group. So ethyl and methyl. So we should write, while writing the name, how many substituent groups are there? Ethyl and methyl we say. But ethyl starts from E, methyl starts from M. So in the alphabetical order, A, B, C, D anta kalitilla, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Adrolage first comes E, ethyl. So and next methyl. Therefore, after giving the numbers, while writing the name, we should write ethyl first. Is it clear? Because we should follow the alphabetical order which we are studying again in the next rule, coming rules. Okay. So it is 6 ethyl, 2 methyl, then it is 9 carbon, hydrocarbon parent, it is nonane. Okay. Now again here, lowest number. So long carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. ಈ ಕಡೆ 4 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Longest chain ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Then number ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ number ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? That carbon of the alkyl group. Carbon of the carbon containing the alkyl group. This is the carbon containing the alkyl group. You should get lowest number. So if you take from here 1, 2, 3, this gets 4 number. Okay. But if you take from here 1, 2, 3, this gets 3 number. So correct way of numbering is from left side. So 3 methyl. Then parent name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So parent name is hexane. Hexane. Then third carbon contains methyl group. Therefore it is 3 dash hash hakbeku 3 methyl hexane. So how to write the name? Again there are rules. Only 2 rules are here. I have given only 2 rules. Okay. So this is about the lowest number rule. Okay. So coming to the third rule. So 2 rules we completed. Longest chain of the carbon should be selected. First one. Second one, how to give the numbers. We should give the numbers from the side which is nearer to the substituent group, so that carbon of the substituent group gets the lowest number. So third rule is a larger number of side chains. See, when selecting the longest chain, if we have 2 same length chains, same equivalent length chains, means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons chain is there. Similarly, if you take from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons chain. Okay. So if you give the numbers, we should give the numbers from the left side because this carbon is nearer to the substituent group. If you give the numbers from here 1, 2, 3, 4th carbon has the substituent group. According to second rule, we should give the number from the left side here. In this case 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now this is hexane. Parent name is hexane. Same structure I have written here. So there is another chain. Same length chain is there. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the same length chain. This is 1. This one is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. So in such case, which one should be selected? So if you take this structure, third carbon, it has only one side chain. So only one side chain is there. So which side chain is there? Here if you take this side chain, it is 3 carbon side chain. So 3 carbon, in the 3 carbon side chain means propyl. but middle carbon attached to the hydrocarbon, parent hydrocarbon. So this group is isopropyl. Only one alkyl group, that is isopropyl group is there in this case. So one group side chain is there here. Okay. But if you take this one, in this case, if you number from this side, this chain if you select, straight chain if you select here, there is one side chain, second carbon contains methyl group, third contains CH2, CH3 means ethyl group. So there are two side chains. Here there are two side chains. This is only one side chain. Which side chain? Isopropyl. Here one methyl is there, one ethyl is there. So larger number of the side chains, the parent hydrocarbon, the longest carbon chain which we select, it should, if it is, there are more number of the equivalent length longest chains, in that case we should select the chain which has the more number of the side chains. Same length ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಯಾವ ಚೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಅದ ಐಸೋಪ್ರೋಪೈಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಅದಾವ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ethyl. So this should be selected. Okay. Then coming to the next rule, lowest sum rule. See here, second carbon contains methyl group, third carbon contains ethyl group. So these are the carbons which contains the substituent groups. Okay. So the carbon which contains the substituent groups, it is called as locant. It is called as locant. Locant means the carbon which has the substituent group. Okay. So numbers, we are giving to numbers to the to all the carbons. Among the some they may have they are the locants. Okay. So here second carbon is locant, third carbon is locant because these contain the substituent groups. Now the fourth one, lowest sum rule. So in case of the lowest sum rule, same structure I have written here, which should be selected. Okay. So we should know which one should be selected. Now, if the carbon chain, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons chain we select. And then we should give the numbers from the side which is nearer to the substituent group. So here, if you give the number from here, it is 1, 2. Second carbon contains the methyl group. If you give number from this side 1, 2, again second carbon contains the methyl group, side chains. Okay. So which one should be selected? See here, I will give the numbers. Same structure I have taken here, second, third, fourth, 5. The same structure I have written here. In this case, I will give number from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So in both the cases, second carbon, here also second carbon contains the substituent group, here also second carbon contains the substituent groups. So in such case, which should be selected? Which one should be taken? Okay. So in such case, what we should do? The sum of the locants, number of the locants we should take. Okay. Sum of the number of the locant, lowest sum rule. Locant andre ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ carbon having substituent group. Okay. So the second carbon, this locant is 2. So this is 2 in this case, in this structure. Then another locant, 4th carbon. So fourth 2 groups are there. So 4 this group, 4th another group. So 2 plus 4 plus 4. Sum, lowest sum rule it is called as lowest sum rule. Okay. So if you take this 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, we get here 10. If you add the number of the locants, this is also locant, this is also locant. This one, ಎರಡು ಸರ್ತಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? 2 times why I have taken 2 groups are there. Okay. Now if you take this one, this type of the numbering, so in this case 2 times I should take because of 2 groups, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, then fourth one, so fourth one, 4 plus 6 plus 2, 8. So lowest sum rule means we should add the locants, number of the locants. Then lowest number, the structure which gives lowest sum of the locants. Okay, so that should be selected. So this is the correct one. This is wrong. We should not take numbers. We should not number from this side. Is it clear? Then similarly another example here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So same second carbon contains the substituent group if you number from this side. So if you number from this side, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here if you number from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, then this is 5. So here if you add 2 plus 2, 2 groups are there, plus 4. So this one comes to be 8 again. Okay. And here if you take this one, 2, only one group, plus 4 plus 4. So this comes to be 10. Okay. So 8 here. So this should be taken, selected. Same type example, I have simple examples I have taken. Okay. This is the fourth rule, lowest sum rule. Means if we have the substituent groups at the same distance from either side. So how to number? In that case we should take the sum of the numbers of the locants. Then the lowest sum, the structure which gives the lowest sum should be selected. Okay. Yes, coming to the fifth rule, numbering of alkyl groups. So, 4 rules I think you understood. So, fifth one, it is very simple one. Okay, how to number the alkyl groups. See here, in the first case, here we have A, B, C, 3 points. Okay, so in the first point, A, name of the alkyl group is prefixed to the parent name. First we are selecting the longest chain and we are giving the numbers and we are writing the parent name, parent hydrocarbon, then name of the alkyl group. If it is methyl, if it is ethyl, we should write along with the position of the locant, number of the locant before, previous to that parent hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon here, this is longest chain. From the left side we should give the numbers because it is nearer to the substituent group. So 1, 2, 3, 4 means parent hydrocarbon is butane. Okay, 4 carbon alkane. It is butane. But substituent group, this is parent hydrocarbon, butane. Substituent is methyl group. Which position? Second. So 2. We should give the number here 2. Then put a dash 2. Methyl. So it is 2-methyl butane name. Okay. So till now I told you about the rules only I am telling, but we are finishing. This is the last step. Numbering, naming of the or numbering the alkyl groups. This is the name of this structure. I told you in your exam structure will be given. You should following all the rules. You should identify the name of the structure. Then second one, another example here I have given. So this one, it contains the ethyl group. If you take 1, 2, 3, third carbon contains ethyl group. If you take from here 1, 2, 3, fourth carbon. Therefore, I should give the number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon alkane is hexane. So third carbon contains CH2, CH3 group. So CH2, CH3 means ethyl group. So it is, we should write 3, then put a hyphen under dash. Then ethyl group, alkyl group. Ethyl, then 6 carbon alkane. It is hexane. 6 carbon alkane is hexane. Okay. So like this structure will be given in your exam. You should write the name of the structure. Okay. Now, second point under this only, this is the first point. First point, what is the first point? Name of the alkyl group should be written along with the number of the locant before writing the parent hydrocarbon. Name of the parent hydrocarbon. Okay. Then number, in after number we should give the hyphen dash. Okay. Next point is, if 2 or more identical substituent groups are present, the numbers are separated by the comma and di, tri, tetra, penta word prefix antaradika word should be used. See, for example, here there are two methyl groups. Okay, so two methyl groups and 1, 2 second, 1, 2 here also second, and from any side you can give the number in such case. So, but two methyl groups are there. So for that we should write the number of the locand and di. Di indicates two. Dimethyl. Okay, methyl methyl you should not write. Methyl methyl anta bariyudalla. Dimethyl. Same similar groups are there. If same groups are there, then you should write the di. Two, if two are there, di. Three, if three same groups present, then tri. If four same groups are there, then tetra. If five similar five groups are there, then penta, like that. That prefix means before writing the alkyl group, methyl barikinta madla, you should write before writing that alkyl group, you should write that di or tri or tetra, depending upon the number of the similar identical alkyl groups. So here I will give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So second and fourth contains the methyl group. Okay. So therefore name will be 2, 4. Okay. So 2, 4. Then dash. Number and the alkyl group, name of the alkyl group separated by the hyphen. Hyphen or dash. 2, 4. Two methyl groups are there. So it is dimethyl. 2, 4 dimethyl. Then 5 carbon alkane, parent hydrocarbon. 5 carbon parent hydrocarbon is pentane. 2, 4 dimethyl pentane. Then this one. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parent hydrocarbon is pentane only. But if you give the numbers from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because same second carbon contains alkyl group, here also from here if you give 1, 2, 3, here also second carbon contains alkyl group. So lowest sum rule we should follow here. So second 2 plus 2, two groups are there. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. So if you give numbers from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So lowest sum, how much sum we are getting here? 2 plus 2, that is 4. Then plus 4, it is 8. Okay. But if you give the numbers from opposite side, right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So second carbon 2 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4. So it is 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. So we should not give the numbers from right side because we are getting more 10 here. Here lowest, according to lowest sum rule, the sum should be less. Okay. The chain numbering, how we should number the carbon chain? If the substituent groups are at equivalent distance, in that case lowest sum rule should be followed. Okay. So we should not take this numbering, right side numbering. Okay. So this gives 8 less number, therefore we are numbering like this. After that we should give the name. So parent hydrocarbon is pentane. Okay. So parent hydrocarbon here it is pentane. Substituent group afterwards I will write, it is pentane. Okay. Pentane. Then second carbon contains 2 methyl groups, fourth contains 1 methyl group. Okay. So therefore 2, 4, 3 methyl groups. Then put a dash. Then tri, 3 methyl groups. Trimethyl pentane. This is the name of the structure. I told you in the exam structure will be given. You have to write the name of the structure. Then last point, C. C is the last point. Here I am telling. In case of if two substituent groups are found in equivalent positions, Here we can apply the lowest sum rule. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 3 plus 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. So according to lowest sum rule, 1, 2, 3. Like this we should give 4, 5. Okay. 6, 7. According to lowest sum rule. But in this case, different groups are here. CH3 and CH2, CH3. So, ee kadeyinda neevu left side, if you number from the left side, 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9 vartada. You get 9. From here, if you number 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 6, again 9 you are getting here also, sorry, 9 only here you are getting. From this side, locant, sum of the locant is 9. From this side also sum of the locant is 9. So in that case what we should do? Different groups are here. Here methyl group is there. Here ethyl group is there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. This is the third position. Here also 1, 2, 3. This is the third position. Here also 1, 2, 3. Third position. Okay. So in such case what we should do? If different groups are there. If different groups are there, this is methyl group, this one is ethyl group. So in such case, alphabetical order should be followed. Alphabetical order means A, B, C, D. In A, B, C, D, which name, the alphabetic of which name comes first. So CH3 means methyl, M. CH2, CH3 is ethyl, E. So in A, B, C, D, E comes first. So therefore, we should give the numbers from this side. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 7, then here 8. Okay. So 8 carbon alkane means octane. Then third carbon contains ethyl, sixth contains methyl. Okay. So it is first ethyl we should write 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl. Then again you should put the dash here. 6 methyl. 6 methyl. Sixth position methyl. Then 8 carbon. That will be octane. Octane. It is octane. Okay. Now means same at the same distance 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Different groups are there. Ethyl and methyl. In such case, we should follow the alphabetical order. Now in this case, the last one. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 1, 2. Second contains methyl. 1, 2. Second contains 2 methyl groups. Third contains ethyl group again. Okay. So in such case, if you follow the alphabetical lowest sum rule. So left side if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So lowest sum 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. So this is H3 it is. H3. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Okay, from left side we are getting here 12. Then from here if you name 1, 2, 3. So here from here if you take 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 5 plus 5. Because 2 methyl groups. 5 plus 5. 6 plus 5, 11. Okay. So here 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, yes. Here I went wrong. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon, 6. Okay. So 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10. So here it will be 5 plus 5, 10, 14, and then 15, 16. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 10. 5 and 10. 16. If you give the number from right side, you are getting here 16. Okay. So left side you are getting 12. Because 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3 here. 7. 7 plus 5. Yellow color I am showing here. This is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3. Okay. 4 plus 3. So it is 7. 7 plus this one is 5. 12. So 12 comes if you take from the left side. Lowest sum rule I am saying. So here it is. We should follow the numbering from the left side. Okay. So left side it is ethyl is there. 3 CH2 CH3 ethyl. 2 dimethyl. Then 5 methyl. So which one should come first? Ethyl according to alphabetical order. Okay. So it is 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl. Then 2, 2, 5. Trimethyl. 2, 2, 5. Trimethyl. Trimethyl. Okay. Then 6 means the parent hydrocarbon is hexane. Okay. So this completes the rules of alkanes only, not alkenes, not any other functional groups, only alkanes, substituent alkanes. So these are the rules, and I have given the examples also. In the next class I will take some more examples of such type only. Okay. Hello students, finally I am giving two examples. I will finish this class. So write the IUPAC name of the following. Two examples are there. So first one, CH3, CH, CH2. So first longest chain should be selected. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the longest one. Because 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 8 means, say 8 carbon means longest straight. Now numbers. So from here if you give 1, 2, second carbon has the substituent group. From if you give 1, 2, 3 from right side, 1, 2, third carbon has the substituent group. So I should give the number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So parent hydrocarbon is octane. And second contains methyl, fifth contains methyl, sixth also contains methyl. 3 methyl groups. So here second, comma, then fifth, 5, comma, sixth, then it is trimethyl. Okay. So it is trimethyl. Then 8 carbon means it is octane. Trimethyl octane. Parent name is octane. Then this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbon hydrocarbon is heptane. So 1, 2, 3. Third contains CH2, CH3 group. CH2, CH3 means ethyl group. From here 1, 2, 3. Third contains methyl group. So equivalent position from either side contains a substituent group. So here in this case, if you take the locant, lowest sum rule, it becomes same because 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 5, 3 plus 5, 8. From here also 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 5 comes, 8 only, same. Lowest sum rule we cannot apply. So in such case, we should look at the substituent groups. One is ethyl, other is methyl. Same group ittandra yav kadeinda number kotru naditade. If the same groups are there from any side, you can start numbering. But ethyl, E comes first in the alphabetical order. So we should give the number from nearer to the ethyl group. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 3. 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl. Then 4, 5. 5 methyl. 3 ethyl, 5 methyl. Then 7 carbon alkane is heptane. Is it clear? So, thank you.